Here is a wonderful 2025 Jeep Cherokee L. Here's a luxurious Grand Cherokee L that offers a smooth, powerful ride. Deluxe cabin equipped with desirable infotainment and connectivity amenities, standard driver assist features and outstanding safety scores, impressive towing ability, and 3 rows of spacious, flexible seating. It's quite simply the ultimate family adventure vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors. Feel relaxed and eager for the journey in this sensational Grand Cherokee L. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.